Hi everyone. So now I want to try number 77. Try a new hobby. It will be a hobby of my father, finding coins. So I need to take gloves and I need to run.
You take a metal detector and you should hold it closer to the ground. It's quite heavy, to be honest. Once it beeps, it means you found something. First step is to identify where exactly you need to dig. That was one of the hardest parts for me. That is my first treasure. I have no idea what is it. Here you can see the signal from the metal. It helps to predict the size and type of the metal. After you made the hole, you need to identify the exact position of the metal. So the best way to do it is to put a metal detector to the ground and check with the small chunks of the ground if there is anything inside. And by the way, don't forget to cover the hole. That is a good manner among detectorists. Yeah, that is who I am now. And here comes my second finding. Cover from the bottle of vodka. My father told that it is one of the most common findings here. Unexpectedly, this trip had become a real adventure. My father shared some stories about the history of this place. We saw a monument for mothers. We even met a dog, observed the nature. By the way, I have no idea. What is it? Does anyone know? When I asked my father why he had such hobby, he told me that is a very good reason for him not to stay at home, but to be outside, explore the nature and walk more. It definitely involves a lot of walking, develops your curiosity and patience. I can add that it is also energy consuming hobby, but also a fun thing to do. Oh, found it. And guess what is it? Bullet from the World War II. Some metal trash. And that is my favorite finding from this trip. It's a key from the car, quite old one, called Has. And this is probably a mark that was put to the bird's leg. This is cartridge case, a bottle cover, just metal trash. Also just metal trash. And here comes the coin! Finally, we got it. It's a Ukrainian coin of 1992. Each finding takes you between 2 to 15 minutes to find. So we can say that this activity is full of quick wins. But believe me, finding trash can be quite discouraging, and finding of some value needs time. So I spent around an hour in two locations, field and forest. I found 10 bottle covers, 6 bullets, 3 coins, 1 key, and lots of trash. And this is a very heavy basket of the things that my father found. He spent around 5 hours. The oldest coin he got this time was from 1969. And this is his coin collection so far. I saw it before. I even brought some albums for him, but after trying his hobby, I see it totally with new eyes. And what hobby do you suggest to try? Share your stories in social media and use hashtag thanks for trying.